2019 Aston Martin Vantage. The 2019 Aston Martin Vantage is fitted with the 503 horsepower, 505 pounds-to-foot turbocharged 4.0-litre V8 which is coupled to an 8-speed automatic transmission. The rear-wheel drive layout includes torque vectoring and an electronically controlled differential. Standard features such as a modern 8-inch infotainment system, adaptive suspension and a park assist system will be complemented by a full range of customizations that are a hallmark of this premium brand. Dozens of paint finishes and interior materials will be available to personalize each Vantage down to the color of the speaker grills. Few cars can truly be described as timeless, but the Aston Martin V8 Vantage has to be one of them. First seen as a concept in 2003, it went on sale in 2005 and still looks good 13 years on. Sure, it's not perfect and the interior has never quite kept pace with the competition. But it remains a drop-dead gorgeous sports coupe and a hell of an act to follow for this new Vantage. This bold new look is appropriate when you consider the big changes under the skin too. We've had our first taste of turbocharged Aston Martins with the V12 and V8 versions of the DB11. The Vantage continues the second-century evolution and shares much with its grown-up big brother, including the 503 horsepower, AMG-supplied 4.0-litre twin-turbo V8 and Mercedes electrical architecture. Aston Martin's internal jargon refers to the DB11 as the gentleman while the Vantage is the hunter, as expressed with the punchier setup and character. You'll have your own feelings about the looks, but in the metal the Vantage is a genuine head-turner. The wide, flat hood, slim headlights and gaping grille all accentuate its width and low-slung stance, while the shallow window line, kicked-up tail and prominent diffuser make it look ready to pounce. It certainly stands out when compared with the softer, more conservative German alternatives such as the Porsche 911 and Mercedes AMG GT, the latter sharing the same 4.0-litre V8 engine of course. If the DB9 and previous Vantage had a whiff of old gent about them, this new one is decisively aimed at a younger crowd for whom a Porsche or Mercedes are just a little too mature and sensible.